Hey, this is Ram, and today I came up with the technical indicator called as ADX, means Average Directional Movement Index. Before going into the video, this video is particularly created as a fifth part, and people who are missed to see the earlier four parts, I strongly recommend to please go and check the videos so that one can understand what is technical indicator and how it should be used in the daily trading, and other few indicators also we had earlier discussed. So the link has been given in the description. Please go and check it. So now let us go into the video. So basically this is 5-minute candlestick chart of Nifty 50, right? In this I am going to apply this particular indicator. So from studies I am selecting this ADX/DMS. So ADX means, as I said, it is called as Average Directional Movement Index, and DMS means Directional Movement System. So I had applied here in the chart. So it will be opened separately below the price chart, and here you can see the lines. Basically we have three color lines. One is black, and the other is red, and the third one is green, right? If suppose a beginner opens and see this particular indicator, then it may be quite hard to understand or quite difficult to interpret with the price chart. So to make it further easy, let me go and change the settings a bit, not much actually. So period and smoothing period, let us have 14 only, and from this series already it has been selected, so we'll leave as it is. And shading, in this shading I'll select this text box, and histogram also let us select it, right? Yes, I had selected, and basically you can see here the colors also, some of the colors have been shown here. And plus DI means it is called as directional index, and minus DI. So what is the difference between plus and minus? Let us see in the indicator only. And ADX, let us keep it as a black only. And positive bar and negative bar, basically this is this has been created for this histogram basically. So all the positive bars will be in green and all the negative bars will be in red. So basically this is the color comes with the presetting. So let me have this as it is, right? Then let me click this button, done, right? Then so here becomes, now you can see very clearly, like many places we can see the green filling, and in many places we can see the red filling inside the lines. So what it tells to us is that if you see the red filling, basically the market is moving in the downward direction, as you can see here. So let me select this cross line also. So this red filling starts from here, right? So basically this lies in this particular candlestick. So from here till here, as you can see here, we can see the red filling only. So which means that in this part, basically the market started falling from here to here. So as like in the green filling, if you see, the green filling started here. So this is the first candle and it ends here, somewhere here. So this is the last candle of this particular filling. So let me zoom it once so that it will be easy. So if you see here, market was slightly moved in the upward direction, but basically it has not a considerable movement. The movement was quite very constant and very slow, right? Which means that the movement may be not very well, even if we see the green, or somewhere here you can see, here also we can see the red filling from here to here, but the movement is not so great, a slight movement was there. So which means if we have a broader width, if the bandwidth is very high, then the movement will be great, right? If the bandwidth is less, then the movement will be quite like a range bound. Range bound means may not have a great movement in the market, in the price. So price may not move in a drastic way. So this is an important part in this particular indicator. So basically this top green line and this red line is called as DI, directional index, and this black line is called as ADX, average directional movement index. So the biggest advantage of this particular indicator is that this particular indicator is not only a trend indicator but also the strength indicator. So it is called as a trend and the strength indicator. So because many of the other indicator will show only the trend of the particular stock or a particular market. So but this particular indicator will also shows the strength of the movement. Let me show you how the strength can be understood from this particular indicator. So let me zoom it here, right? So here you can see this average directional movement index is quite moving in a flat way till here, so that here also you can see there is not having a huge movement, and suddenly after some time it had started moving in the upward direction, right? You can see from here to here there is not having a huge movement, but from here it had moved drastically. So which means that if it started moving upwards, then the market will have a strong movement. So basically how it is used in the market, let me tell you. Here you can see the numbers on the side, right? Generally what technical analysts used to do, if this particular ADX is below the 20 levels, which means that 20 comes somewhere here. So if it is below 20, then trader won't do trade on that particular stock, and if it starts moving above 20, then only trader used to enter in the market, because it is believed that if it moves above 20 levels, then the market will have a good movement. And one may ask that if it move above 20, then whether the market is going to be in the upper direction? No, because this is not basically an oscillator, because oscillator is different. Here it will speaks only about the trend, the strength, right? The strength of the market. So which means that if it moves above the 20 levels, the strength of the movement is going to be very good. But how one can understand that whether the market is going to be on the upper side or the market is going to be on the downward direction? How it can be understood means, for that reason only we can use this DA, which means the directional indicators. If we are seeing red here, and if this ADX is moving above 20, which means that the market is going to fall, it is going to move on the downward direction. And if the ADX is moving above 20 levels, and if we see red here, which means that the market is going to be move in the upward direction. So this particular indicator will be very helpful to understand both the trend and the strength of the market. So for example, if you want to see the green, with the movement of ADX, you can see clearly here. So 20, if you see 20 comes here, somewhere here, this is the 20 line, means in the reading you can see here. So this is what the 20 levels come here, and if it break this 20th level, and if it start moving upwards, and if you can see the green filling between this DI lines, which means that the market is going to have an upward movement. You can see clearly, right? From here you can see, from here to here, which means that the levels are like, if we enter in 11,205 and then we can exit on this level, 11,257. so we will be getting at least more than 50 points here. So this is one of the best indicator, where even if we are not clubbing with the other technical indicators also, this particular indicator will works very well. Many of the indicator may give false signals, but this particular indicator, yes, every indicator has its own advantage and disadvantage, but this particular indicator, since we have both the trend as well as the strength indication, this works very well in the daily trade especially. Even here also you can see many false signals, if you can see here. So this is clearly showing the green shade, and this is about 20 level. You can see it is 40, it is drastically moving upwards. If we enter here by seeing this particular indication, then we may lose the money, right? Because suddenly it had taken a reverse direction and it had started gradually falling. So if some trader enters here, then surely he would have lost the money in this particular trade. So it is always better to combine any indicator with some other indicator. Basically, if we are using one trend indicator, we can use some other indicator like volume indicator or oscillator, so that it may works very well in the day trading. Should not always believe any particular indicator in the day trading. So apart from that, you can see the histogram also. This bars, as I had said earlier, the negative bars will be in red and the positive bars will be in the green, if you can see. So wherever you can see the red shadow, you can see the red bars, and wherever you are seeing the green shadow, you can see the bars is in green. So how it can be interpreted? So if the bars also keep on rising, then the price also will rise. So it will purely act along with the DI only. So the entire indication of this indicator will works great in the day trading when it is clubbed with any one or two other technical indicators, whether it can be an MACD or it can be an RSI or it can be a super trend. So this is what all about ADX, and